Hi, it's Corey Angle. It's Wednesday, February 13th, 2019, and I bought the Skystars Baby Turtle from Gearbest, and I'm having a hard time getting my transmitter connected to it, mostly because the flight controller that came with the Baby Turtle there's no documentation for it. I don't know what kind of flight controller this is. And my biggest problem is trying to get my receiver connected to this flight controller, and it is done through this port right here. Now, I believe that port is the same size as the video port that's on the opposite end of the flight controller. It's a 3-pin port, but I believe the pitch between the pins is less than 1 millimeter. Here is a JST SH connector, a 3-pin, and the pitch between those pins is 1 millimeter. But this is obviously too big to plug into this flight controller. It just won't fit. So my question to Gearbest is, can you please provide me with information or a link to the plug, the 3-wire plug that would plug into this port on the flight controller right here? At the very least, could you tell me exactly what size and what kind of plug that is? If you don't sell it, then maybe that way I could look it up and try to find somebody that does. Any help would be appreciated. Thanks again.